ADDIE is foundational in instructional design. Now, if you don't know what ADDIE is an acronym that stands for Analyze, Design, Develop, Implement, and Evaluate. And it can really help you to build or design training that works, that's effective. But the point that I want to make today is don't get stuck thinking about the workflow or thinking in terms of how technical it can be to use ADDIE. Understand the principles and apply those principles to your specific situation. Your specific situation may in fact be complex. Maybe you're dealing in a corporate setting where the analyze portion and the evaluate portion can be somewhat complicated because of the size or scale of what you're doing. Or maybe you're dealing with a situation where you're doing training in a small company or even team training where it's not that complex, but yet those principles are still very important. Point being, think in terms of principles rather than getting stuck thinking about a very complex workflow. Essentially, with ADDIE, you need to analyze your situation. You need to know what needs to be trained, if anything at all, and then design and develop your training based on that analysis. And then after you implement it, then there's the evaluate portion. Try to determine how well it worked, what didn't, what needs to be changed, what can stay the same, and then make any adjustments based on that. ADDIE is something that's very powerful with instructional design, but be sure to understand the principles instead of getting intimidated or stuck on thinking of complex workflows.